I'll take it here.
You're like, all right, that's enough.
Richard did a bubble blow!
Did they really?
Yeah!
What did you do?
Hex.
Did you hex them?
Yeah!
Did you get the boat back?
No!
Oh no, what are we gonna do?
We're going to the witch's
Find
castle. Good castle. Good castle.
Where's the tree?
Castle.
The castle?
Yeah.
I don't know where the castle is.
Mama?
Yeah, babe.
Where do you think the castle is?
Happens. What happened? Something is in my foot that I didn't. Ow! Ow! You hurt my foot! And get it, look, Grace.